his or her team to the officials area after the final round, either this game or the next game, whenever the final round would be, to vote on the Catherine Hughes Sportsmanship Award. So coaches could send an official designee to the area after the final games. Have we entered names?
Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I think I'm about to.
Let's go.
Alex, I'm Jared. Was that Isha? Okay, Isha. Elijah. Dante Chris. Dante Erica. Dante Drew. Dante Kevin.
Okay, and the captains are Drew and Jared again. All right. Coaches, are we ready? Then we will begin round 4, toss-up number 1. Solve for all values of r if the quantity r minus 2, close quantity squared, equals 169.
R equals 15 and negative 17.
Incorrect. R equals 15 and negative 11. Toss-up 2. This term refers to the fixed pattern of rhyme used in a poem like a sonnet. What do we call this pattern of rhyme, like the English sonnet, that follows the pattern of AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG? Incorrect.
I am it.
Incorrect. They were just going for rhyme scheme. Toss-up number 3. The 1867 Tenure of Office Act forbade the President from removing appointed people from office without the approval of the Senate. What President... Incorrect. I'll repeat. The 1867 Tenure of Office Act forbade the President from removing appointed people from office without the approval of the Senate. What President violated this law, which led to his impeachment? Incorrect. Andrew Johnson. Toss-up 4. Coin collectors often look for the mint mark O on coins, which tells the collector the coin was minted in this city.
New Orleans.
Correct. Your bonus. Number 5. Named for a French diplomat and scholar, this highly addictive drug was once used as an insecticide. What drug is the active ingredient in tobacco? Correct. Toss-up 6. This Englishman is best known for his laws involving electricity. Name this man who has the SI...
Faraday.
Correct. Bonus number 7. This former leader of the African National Congress spent 27 years in prison for his role in anti-apartheid activities in his native country. Identify this Nobel Peace Prize winner and former president of South Africa.
Nelson Mandela.
Correct. Toss-up 8. Answer with a number. This constitutional amendment was enforced by the Volstead Act and was repealed in 1933.
19.
Incorrect. Answer with a number. This constitutional amendment was enforced by the Volstead Act and was repealed in 1933. Which amendment prohibited, quote, the manufacture, sale, or transportation of intoxicating liquors? Correct. Bonus number 9. This Latin phrase means by virtue of office or official position. What phrase is used to identify a person who is a member of a group because of his position or office elsewhere?
Pro bono.
Incorrect. Captain?
I designate Elijah.
Incorrect. Ex officio. Toss-up 10. Simplify the following expression and leave your answer as a single power of y. The quantity y cubed, close quantity, raised to the 5th power.
Y to the 15.
Correct. Bonus 11. She was the first American woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize, honored for her role as president of the Women's International League for Peace and Freedom, but she's better remembered for her social work in urban areas. Named this woman, founder of Hull House, a settlement house in Chicago?
Adams.
Correct. Toss up 12. Solve for x if negative 3x plus 2 equals 23.
Alex.
X equals -7.
That is correct. Your bonus, 13. This Broadway musical is adapted from the T.H. White novel, The Once and Future King. While play, supposedly a personal favorite of President John F. Kennedy, tells the story of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table and became a nickname for Kennedy's administration.
Camelot.
Correct. Toss up 14. The main body of a fungus, or its mycelium, is made up of thin strands of cells. What are these thin strands?
Dr. Chris.
Incorrect. I'll repeat. The main body of a fungus, or its mycelium, is made up of thin strands of cells. What are these thin strands called?
Alex.
Cilia?
Incorrect. Filaments. Toss up 15. This four-syllable noun can mean a remarkable or exceptional person, a prodigy, a wonder.
Alex.
Extraordinary.
Incorrect. I'll repeat. This four-syllable noun can mean a remarkable or exceptional person, a prodigy, a wonder. What word beginning with the letters PH can also mean a fact, occurrence, or circumstance observed or observable?
Dr. Garrett.
Correct. Bonus 16. These animals, similar to corals and jellyfish, are often visited by clownfish. Name these animals which look like underwater flowers.
Anemones.
Correct. Toss up 17. When people act like they are vastly superior to others, we say they have displayed arrogance. Spell the word.
Dr. Garrett.
AROGANC.
Correct. Bonus 18. In theater, this is a scene or speech which follows the main action of a play and provides some insight or comment on the previous action. Identify this term that begins with the letter E.
Epilogue.
Correct. Toss up 19. The variables x and y vary directly. If x equals -2 when y equals 7, find y when x equals 8.
Dr. Chris.
-21.
Incorrect.
Alex.
-28.
That is correct. Your bonus. 20. 1 gallon of milk cost about $3 in early 2007, but by 2008 it cost nearly $3.50, an increase in price of over 10%. What economics term beginning with I is defined as a rise in the general level of prices for goods or services over time?
Inflation.
Correct? Toss up 21. Multiply the quantity 11C minus 8, close quantity, times the quantity 11C minus 8.
Dr. Garrett.
121C squared minus 176C plus 64.
Correct? Bonus 22. James Fenimore Cooper's Leatherstocking Tales were a collection of stories centered on outdoorsman Natty Bumppo. What was the last one Cooper wrote, but the first in chronological order?
The Deerslayer.
Correct? Toss up 23. The triggering event for this war was the Thornton Affair, but one of the underlying conflicts was a dispute over which river was the border between the two countries, the Nueces or the Rio Grande.
Alex.
Mexican-American War.
Correct? Bonus 24. Multiple answer required. Roman mythology says Rome was built on 7 hills by 2 brothers, one of which was killed by the other. Who were these 2 brothers?
Romulus and Remus.
Correct? Toss up 25. Unlike the Venus flytrap, which closes on its prey, these carnivorous plants have deep cavities filled with liquid.
Dr. Chris.
Correct? Your bonus 26. Solve the following inequality for A. The absolute value of quantity 4A is greater than 72.
A is greater than 18.
Incorrect, Captain?
I designate that.
A is greater than 18, A is greater than -18.
Incorrect. A is greater than 18 or less than -18. I heard 30. Toss up 27. One of the most common and versatile pieces of chemistry glassware, these cylindrical objects can hold or pour.
Dr. Alex.
Test tube.
Incorrect. I'll repeat. One of the most common and versatile pieces of chemistry glassware, these cylindrical objects can hold or pour liquids. What are these flat-bottomed, pitcher-shaped containers called?